kids, welcome to Kids Corner with Srishti. I am Srishti and today I am there with a video of craft from these old pens. So I was not able to post the video since last 2 days as I was ill and today I am a bit well. So you need to take these old pens and just take out the refill from the pen and use this one part, not this refill one. And if you are having pen like this, what you can do is just take the measurement of the container. Suppose this is the container on which I want to paste this pen, so just take the measurement of this and cut the pen till the edges where the container goes. Then you need to color these pens and we are going to make this from these old pens. You can see how pretty it is looking. I have used different colors of pen. And at the bottom there is one disc, just like this. It came with a light roll. Okay, so we are going to make this. You can take the help of the video and learn. Okay.
So for this you need to take any empty container and roll all cloth around it and just apply a thick paste of wall putty on it. And after completing this process, you need to take the colored pens and just stick them on this without the use of any glue or anything. They will stick with the help of wall putty. After completing, this is the look we'll get.
Okay, so I hope you must have watched how to make this and you might have learned. So now I thought that we can grow some plants in it, just like I am having this lucky bamboo and it has grown a bit. So I'm going to just grow it in this mud. I'm going to put some soil in it and I'm going to just grow in it. As you know that the holes are the most compulsory thing, and I have made some holes at the bottom, and now I am having this soil, and in this container there are some rake leaves and I have just broken them down, just crushed them like this. And also this container is made up of wall putty even. This was a sweet box and my mother covered it with a wall putty and then just made the design. You can also do. So in this you can see that these things are there like this, so you can take any dry grass or any twig like that, and you may also use the coconut coverings, okay, and you may also use the coco pit, but they both will work as the same only. So now we are going to cover the bottom with these. All these leaves will help to retain water. The soil will not go with the water, they will stop the soil and just the water will pass. It will also work like a compost. So now we will put the soil. So this soil is made up of vermicompost. I have made that I have just took a bucket and some earthworms are also grown there. So this is just made up of it. And now I am going to grow this one bamboo, this one stick. See, I have filled this much 3/4 of the soil and just I am going to put this bamboo in the middle. Now we will cover it with soil. make the place in between, and we will just do it like this. Okay, so we have filled the soil. Okay, so as you can see, I have put the soil in it, and now we are just going to put water into it. This is Colin bottle. It was empty, so I put water in this. You just need to spray with this only while you are watering any plant, not only this. So we will just moisten the soil, and just make sure that you don't water it regularly. Just in every 3 days you can water it one time. And what else is there? Just don't touch it for 2 to 3 days, as we have transported it from water to the soil, and now the roots will take some time to settle down, and after we let it settle down, the roots will grow more. And also don't compress it hardly. So just partial sunlight is needed for it. So you can see that how bestest way to reuse these old pens is this. You can also just show your ma'am or your teacher in the best out of waste competition if it is there. I'm sure you will get the first prize. So you can see that how beautiful it is looking, how pretty it is, and it is just made out of old waste. Okay? And in the next video we are going to learn these. These are the empty color bottles, and I have just painted them. Okay? So bye till then. Let's meet you in the next video. Subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and don't forget to hit the like button and to share it with your friends. Bye.